Hey everyone, so I'm back with another flat iron review for you guys, and I'm just showing you how my hair looks after I use the flat iron. Super bouncy and shiny. So if you'd like to see this review, just keep watching. So here's what the packaging looks like right here. The inside, the flat iron, super pretty and blue, good amount of cording. Here's what it looks like up close, super shiny. It has an infrared layer in there. This is ceramic tourmaline. The plates are 1.2 inches. It also comes with clips and a glove, heated glove instructions. And it also has a lock feature. You can lock it and unlock it. So press it down, slide the lock, it stays closed. Unlock it and it opens up. Super easy. I plugged it in and it'll say off. That's in standby mode. So you want to press the on button, and then here's what it looks like. I wanted to turn the light off to show you what it looks like in the dark. Really cool, with a little infrared layer in there, and that's to help seal in moisture so that your hair won't be damaged. I'm gonna set my plates on 350. It goes from 210 to 450, but I like my temperature to be around 350. This also has floating plates so that your hair is snagged, and it takes less than 60 seconds for it to warm up to the temperature that you set. You can also use this flat iron to curl your hair, but I usually just use flat irons to straighten my hair, which is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. It also has a 360 cord that goes around so that it won't get tangled. So now I'm going to actually show you how it works and how well it straightens my hair. This is the first impressions as well, so this is the first time that I'm actually using this flat iron. And like I stated before, the little red infrared strip inside is to help lock in moisture to reduce damage to your hair. And these are ceramic plates, so that's supposed to help protect your hair as well. And as you can see right here, it's doing a really good job at straightening my hair, making it smooth, silky, shiny. Does a really good job. At first, I wasn't sure whether to put the little infrared light at the bottom or the top, but it just feels more natural holding it with the light being at the bottom. So I'm just gonna take my hair section by section, and these are the results for the one little section of hair that I've done. So I'm basically gonna do this over my entire head. So I'm gonna let you guys watch, and then I'll come back a little later at the end and talk. Okay, you guys, so here are my final results right here. I'm gonna let you guys tell me in the comment section what you thought. Did it work well? Did it not? I thought it worked absolutely well, but let me know in the comment section what you think about it. My hair is shiny, it's bouncy, like it definitely did its job. This is also going to be a giveaway, so make sure that you check the description box for the simple requirements of this giveaway. One of my lucky subscribers is going to get this exact flat iron that I used in the video. But as you can see, my hair is straight, it's soft, it's fluffy. It absolutely did the job that it was supposed to do. Make sure to thumbs this video up if it was beneficial to you. Check the link for this item in the description box and also for the giveaway details. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.